Harvey Weinstein, the Oscar-winning movie producer turned MeToo pariah, was back in court in New York City for a new trial. He's in court for a retrial after the Court of Appeals in New York, the highest court in the state, overturned his rape conviction last year. Now, Weinstein was convicted in 2020 of rape and sexual assault, but those convictions have been thrown out. The appeals court saying that the judge in that trial allowed in improper evidence and testimony from women making allegations that were not central to the case. Jury selection got underway on Tuesday with about 140 people being filed into the courtroom. Dozens raised their hands when they were asked if they could not be impartial or if the length of the trial, possibly 4 to 6 weeks, was too much of a burden. One of the dismissed jurors was an actor who said, "Harvey Weinstein's a bad guy. I don't like the guy." One woman said she was a victim of sexual assault. Another person said, "I don't see how anyone could be impartial." Now, this retrial is happening in a new environment, a different environment than the first one. In 2020, it was in the glow of the MeToo movement, a daily drumbeat of allegations against prominent figures. 5 years after that trial, there are still major celebrities like Sean Diddy Combs who are facing legal consequences, but the movement has ebbed and evolved. And here today in court, there was some media interest, but not the swell of public interest, protests, people outside that we saw in 2020. Weinstein is charged with sexually assaulting 3 women, 2 who were accusers in the first trial, and then a woman who came forward around the time of the first trial but was not included in that case. Now, Weinstein has pleaded not guilty, and he denies sexually assaulting or raping any woman. Opening statements are expected next week, and then the beginning of witness testimony. All 3 accusers are expected to testify.